So, ayaw ni YouTube yung background song ko. So, kailangan ko mag-voiceover. So, yun po. Lahat ng mga nagawa kong freebies here in Edmonton, Canada. On my birthday. Just keep watching. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Perks of living in Canada be like so many freebies on your birthday. Thanks, Canada. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye. Ayaw ng music ko. No copyright ako. Okay, bye.